I think you might have a pollen allergy. Nonsense.
Ouch, 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 ouch. Funny. It's hot. He's tired.
How am I so wet and yet completely dry? Oh, much farther.
Hi. Hi, Mayumi. Hi. This is gonna be Mayumi's vlog. It's all about Mayumi tonight and tomorrow. That's Mayumi now. 4 months. And drinking Bonakid. Dahil hindi po siya maarte at hindi po siya mamahalin, Bonakid lang. Oh, you can see that? Wow.
I'm not having any luck either. I don't understand. What are they doing in South America? And how did they find themselves in the first place?
Tika?
Exactly.
Tika?
The mad scientist
Tika?
living in the basement.
The what?
The cookie shop.
The cookies.
It's the cookie shop.
Let me send her a message right now, okay?
Okay.
Which cookie was it? Yellow
Yes.
and?
And blue.
Yellow and blue.
Yes.
Let me ask her.
No, not the teach.
Where you put it?
Because of Tito.
Tito took it.
No, not Tito's Lola.
Let me ask her. But Auntie has lots of cookies. You can ask Auntie for cookies. Chico, come here. Come. Lola said that it was here.
I'm on the table. A cookie. Where am I find more cookie? I find more cookie. I'm gonna open.
After breakfast. Let's go. Hi. Hey. Breakfast first. Uh-oh. Okay. Sit down. Mayumi. Mayumi is looking at your cookies.
To you.
Okay. Mayumi, you eat first, okay? You eat first, okay? Pika. Hi, Pika. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Da. Da. Hi, Mama. Yes, please.
Okay. Give the one to Tito.
Okay, let's eat first. You can sit with it. Hi. Mayumi. 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 Because it's a cookie. Bobby is there with his snake and ladders.
ladder. Go snake ladder.
Oh, how about Chico? What toy did you get?
Cookie, your cookie.
A what?
I got a domino, but it looks good.
Dominoes.
Yeah, and I'm missing the blue one.
Okay.
There, the blue one.
Let's go have breakfast.
Let's breakfast. Breakfast is not there yet. Let's play.
Nilaban ko yung sombrero ni Calvi.
I forgot the blue thing Chico played with.
Okay, I'll look for it. Hinahanap ko yung sombrero. Ayun pala, guys. Agay, pinatuyo niya sa sasakyan. Kasi mainit daw doon na side. Matalinong bata.
Then I win.
Okay, go.
This is good.
But that's empty.
No.
4.
Mine.
1, 2, 3, 4. Calvi, look.
What?
You fell down.
No, I just got here. The snake was just close to me.
No, the snake head is there. You see the tongue is here? Continue.
No, that's the
Chico, you finished your cookies, not sharing? Why? 4.
I don't.
4.
I don't want to play with Calvi. I got all this.
Uh-oh.
Down, up, down.
How can you not share, Chico? 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you stepped on the snake kid.
You did not even give me at least one eggnog.
Mom, I'll give you mine so you can come to me.
Oh. 5.
5. Mom, you can do 5 too.
No, you do. It's okay.
3, 4, 5.
Up. 5 is here. Fall down, Calvi. Fall down on the snake body.
Yeah.
No, the snake body is here.
It's not his tail, okay.
No, don't be sad. You have to follow the snake body. Okay.
Oh, you stepped on the snake body.
That's the snake body.
Oh, you stepped on the snake head. No.
6.
Yeah.
Calvi, no putting back food, please. Rice. Sige. Kasya pa na karong adlaw. Kapalit lang ko sa kanto. Dili isa ka Tupperware, isa ka carton. Ingna ko pag isa na lang sa pack. Isa ka plastic. Oo.
I'll get for you, Chico. Mama, big brother.
Which one does he want? Let's go.
Chico, I'll get for you. Dog. Yeah.
Okay. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Are you going to the rice, Calvi? Oh, Calvi, why so many? So many. Why so many? What do you want to use? Done?
What? Where's my sink?
That's enough. Done? What do you want from here? What do you want from here? Huh?
That's 4.
Open your mouth.
That's for Mommy.
Which one?
The other one, Mom. Look, I got cake. I got cake.
Eat properly, eat properly. Mine, I want vegetable.
I'm gonna take these. The fork. I'm gonna take this the fork.
Yeah. But you have to eat your spoon. You have to eat your rice, Chico. Chico, eat your rice. Natin alas 10 ng umaga, and today, kahapon nag-inventory kami ni Miss Giselle. Nakita nyo naman sa recent upload, pero hindi po namin natapos. So sabi ko kay Miss Giselle, mag-chill lang siya, tatapusin namin today. Nag-order na ako ng ulam namin for lunch kasi ngayon ay seryosong inventory kami. Yung gamit namin na app is yung Peddler. Hindi ko alam kung familiar sa inyo itong app na to, pero ito yung mostly ginagamit ng mga tindahan na alam ko dito sa Jensen, kasi bukod sa free siya guys, very very user friendly. Ibig sabihin guys, pwede siya sa aming mga beginner or hindi masyadong or yung mga bulok sa accounting. I-direct to the point na natin. Huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. So very important na masundan natin yung ating inventory. So nasabi sa akin ng kapatid ko na in charge sa inventory ni Madam Ten Gives na Peddler is actually working for them. So I told Miss Giselle that we should try sticking to Peddler ngayong month na to. So kahapon nagsimula kaming mag-inventory, though hindi kami natapos. So today is the day 2 of our inventory sa Mayumi, Thailand closet. Ayun. At meron pala ako nakitang katanungan na gusto kong sagutin. Merong nag-question doon na, Miss Princess, you used to drive every single day sa Uganda. Kahit inahatid at sinusundo mo yung mga anak mo, driving in the city, groceries and everything, ako yung nagmamaneho. You guys are right. I do drive automatic. Okay? Nagtry akong mag-aral ng manual sa Uganda. Nahirapan ako dahil sa Uganda po, lalong-lalo na sa Kampala, their land is not patag. Yung lupa nila doon ay slope. Dahil nga, Kampala alone, the Kampala city alone, which is the capital city of Uganda, is consisting of 7 hills. Ibig sabihin, yung dadaanan mo ay up, down, up, down. So kapag manual ka at hindi ka marunong mag-balance ng sasakyan mo, there is a big possibility na pwede mong banggaan yung nasa likod mo or nasa harapan mo kapag hindi ka marunong mag-balance sa manual. So I stopped, I couldn't learn manual talaga sa Kampala City, and I was discouraged, and I felt like I'd rather not learn how to drive, or I'd rather not drive manual kaysa makabangga tayo ng BMW or Mercedes-Benz, guys. So I learned automatic, and I was so confident driving automatic because I had my own Uganda license, driving license when I was there. But then naalala nyo na nag-hire po ako ng driver, si Timothy, yung kumanta ng Isang Buhay with me and Joseph. He was my trusted driver, though umabot sa point na I had to stop him sa pagdadrive kasi hindi na ako lumalabas masyado that time. Anyway, bakit ako kumuha ng driver doon sa Uganda at dito is because my job is more of mobile. Lahat po ng trabaho ko ay nasa cellphone. Pagre-reply sa mga customers, ay at parts sa left side mo. Pagre-reply sa customers, the Philippines Gym, the PH Gym. pagre-reply sa customers, pag-answer sa mga queries, pagpo-post ng mga bagong products. Basically, online business po yung trabaho ko. And when I say online, you have to be present to answer to the clients online 24/7. Hindi naman 24/7. I would say around 8/24 hours. Ganon. Other than that, I do edit my own videos. So, sometimes if I am not too tired or I feel relaxed in editing video while the car is running, I do edit my own videos. So, that's the reason why I don't drive. Sana po ay nasagot yung tanong ninyo. At ngayon ay pupunta muna ako dito sa gym. Ayan, the PH Gym. Titingnan ko muna yung offer nila dito kasi kaming magkakapatid naghahanap kami ng gym na mura lang at magkakaroon ng sariling coach. So, okay guys, so tapos na ako nag-inquire sa gym. So far, yun yung pinakamura sa na-inquire natin. Kasi unang-una, hindi siya on the city talaga. At saka, tawag nito, bago pa. So lahat ng machine niya, bagong-bago pa talaga. Bali, hindi ko alam dyan kung nasaan sa kayo. Pero yung gym na na-inquirean ko bago lang, around 1,500 pesos yung kanyang monthly membership. Ayun. So, ngayon, ang next kong gagawin ay pupunta tayo ng Registry of Deeds dahil nga yung van na kay mama na van na nakapangalan sa akin ay tapos na po nating bayaran, alhamdulillah. So, ngayon ay asikasuhin na natin yung kanyang ownership documents. So, binigay na to ng bangko sa akin lahat ng paper requirements. Kailangan ko na lang tong isubmit, bayaran at antayin ng 3 days. And then, nag-aantay sa akin si Miss Giselle para mag-start kaming mag-inventory. Usap na lang ako dun sa aking kasama na siya na lang magpa-photocopy ng aking passport. Antay na lang tayo dito. So, eto mga ganitong klase ng documents guys. Ngayon ko lang to nasikaso, no? Kasi I've never had anything in my name before. Lagi ko naman kayong kinekwentuhan na in my 34 years, ngayon lang po talaga ako nagkaroon ng mga bagay na under sa pangalan ko. Well, it's a good thing knowing that you are, you have the guts and you have the apog to make utang here and there para magkaroon ka ng sarili mong mga property or magkaroon ka ng sarili mong mga bagay na ginagamit mo at hindi na lang puros hiram forever. Though hindi naman matatakaw yung mga kapatid ko guys, it's different to have your own kasi you are able naman eh. So, the good thing is, right now, dito sa Gensan or dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong mga tinatawag na mga special IDs, meron tayong mga PWD, meron tayong mga senior, meron tayong mga solo parent. It actually helps sa mga bagay-bagay, katulad ng mga priority lanes. So, minsan hindi tayo natatagalan kasi meron tayong mga IDs na ganun. Minsan kasi pagkasama ko si mama, merong senior ID, so hindi tayo natatagalan sa pag-process. Connected ba yun sa explanation ko guys? Pero anyway, I can see inside here sa registry of deeds is nandito lang din naman pala siya sa registry of land something land registration office. Andito lang din naman pala siya sa loob. So madali lang, nag-fill up lang ako ng isang form and then ipapasa ko lang yung document na binigay sa akin ng bangko kung saan ko in-applyan yung van before nung kinuha namin siya. Yun lang. And then iwan natin bayaran and then balikan natin in 3 days. Sa wakas guys, natapos na rin tayo sa land of registry of deeds. Isa yun sa ating must do ngayong araw. So sa mga bumili ng sasakyan, hindi bumili, yung mga nag-loan ng sasakyan dyan and malapit na kayong matapos sa inyong loan, first time nyo, wala kayong idea, i-share ko yung ginagawa ko para naman makatulong sa inyo kasi alam ko it's not only me who have this kind of experience. So anyway, kapag ka na fully paid nyo na po yung sasakyan ninyo, pupunta na kayo sa bangko niyan para kunin nyo yung mga documents ng ownership. Hindi ko alam ano ang exactly tawag sa papers na yon, but if you're fully paid, go to that bank. They will give you a pile of documents na dadalhin po ninyo sa Registry of Deeds. Yun mismo yung requirement para ma-process ninyo yung lahat ng, yung talagang mismong ownership document na. So pagdating nyo sa Registry of Deeds, dala yung papers na binigay ng bank. Make sure na meron kayong photocopy ng inyong ID. For me, I have a photocopy of my passport. And then, sinubmit ko lang mismo dun sa my window ng ROI. And then, nagbayad po ako sa cashier ng 1,600 plus and a stamp of 40 pesos. Pagkatapos sinubmit ko lang sa kanila, may binigay sila sa aking paper and then they said I have to go back for the final documents on June 18. So June 18 right now, it is June 6. That's like 12 days from now or more than almost 2 weeks din. Ayun. So, yun lang guys. Madali lang siya. Huwag kayong magpa-stress. Baka mamaya iniisip ninyo, ano ba yan? Another na naman. Nakakabayad ko lang. Tapos na ako magbayad. Meron na naman akong ipaprocess. Madali lang po siya. And we have to do it. We must do it. Kaya, do it. Okay. So, papunta na tayo ngayon. Okay, lunchtime guys. Ito yung lunchtime namin ngayon sa Mayumi. Gulay at saka isda. Bon appetit! Sarap ng gulay namin guys, oh. Kapos si ate mag... Alright guys. Time check natin alas 5 and while the kids are watching TV, ako'y mag-walking muna. Normally, sinasabayan nila ako maglakad pero today I want to walk quietly. So, inayaan ko lang sila. And I did not share with you guys kung ano yung sabi ng doktor ko about sa result ng aking ultrasound. But, promise ko sa inyo guys, kahit ilang beses i-explain at i-drawing sa akin ng doktor, guys, wala talaga akong naintindihan. Basta, ang result po na nakasulat sa aking ultrasound ay Hashimoto or Hashimota. Hindi ko lang alam. Hashimoto thyroidism ang nakasulat. So, in-explain ni Doc, kulang daw ako sa T3 tsaka T4 sa thyroid ko. So, I have to drink medicine para bumalik yun. Yun ang pagkaintindi ko. Kasi ilang beses kong in-explain. Tapos, sabi ko sa doctor, is it still hereditary? Sabi ng doctor ko, part of it daw is from postpartum. So, in the end, I have medicine that I'm taking, like 5 different medicine to help me with whatever I am feeling or whatever is the effect of my sickness. Ayun. God is good. I'm still able and active. Of course, I am encouraged kahit sino naman no to eat healthy, change your diet, choose what's good for your body. Sabi nga ni Steve Jobs, 'di ba? Eat your food like a medicine instead of eating your medicine like a food. Right now, I feel bad that I am taking 5 to 6 tablets in every single after meal. So that's 3 times a day. I don't want that. So let's bago pa lumala, mag-change na tayo ng lifestyle natin. Let's choose what's healthier for our body, for our mind. The doctor also advised me that I can do walking. I can incorporate exercise na. Kasi before, we would say na, do you exercise? I'm active, doc. I work. But the question is, do you exercise? So, I don't. So, ngayon, I am going to exercise at least 4 times a week ako nag-walking, guys. And this is a part of it. So, pagkatapos ng check-up, binigyan pa rin ako ni Doc ng pampatulog kasi nahihirapan pa rin ako matulog. I tried not to drink the medicine for sleeping pero hindi ako nakatulog. At the same time, I have medicine for anxiety at pampakalma na din. And then, medicine to balance the T3 and T4 on my thyroid. Then, a week from now, I will get another blood test para laging ma-follow up yung sitwasyon ng aking thyroid, guys. Ganun po siya ka-complicated. So, like I said, all this happens because we neglect our body, we neglect our food intake, and we tend to take advantage of our body. Hindi natin iniisip masyado yung effect in the long run. Kasi hindi naman basta-basta natin nakikita yung effect ng bad habits later on pa. So right now I'm walking and I'm gonna do this walk for an hour and then we'll see. But yeah, my day has been good and productive. A little bit, hindi masyadong pagod kasi pag na-feel ko na pagod na ako, guys, physically tired and mentally tired, I go home immediately. So I went home, I showered, and then I spent time with my children. We watched movies together, and then now, ang sarap lang. Ang sarap lang ng hapon na ganito yung tahimik. And look at my surroundings, guys. It's very green, as you can see. Ayan. Sobrang ganda kasi marami pa din puno. And I try to, dito kasi wala pa masyadong nakatira pero slowly dumadami na kami, so that's good. Meron nga palang nag-comment doon. Minsan guys, may mga comment akong hindi nasasagot pero I try to answer. May nakapagsabi doon na nagtanong doon na ano nga ba yung question doon? Bakit daw marami pa rin yung tumutulong sa akin, nagsisend sa amin ng blessings, na meron naman daw akong trabaho, ganito, ganyan. You know what, guys, you can never, you know this, it's a cliche, you can never control anyone, okay? Some people, they tend to help or they tend to share their blessings because they do relate, they can relate. Alam nila na nasa point na sila ng buhay nila na they can provide, but they know as well na sobrang hirap. Kasi nga, being a single parent is hindi naman ganun talaga kadali. Okay, you can find me, I'm trying to balance everything. But in the end, the truth is, wala rin akong tatakbuhan. Ako lang yung backup ko para sa sarili ko. Okay? So, yeah, if there are blessings coming my way, regardless of what I can do for myself and my children, I am super grateful. God is good. Kasi may mga point talaga na iniisip ko, Lord, yung pangkain namin ng mga anak ko, napupunta sa gamot ko, pero wala naman tayong choice kasi I have to take the medicine, otherwise it could lead to something worse, 'di ba? Okay, so hinihingal na ako, guys. Magra-round lang ako ng mga 3 rounds and then I'll see you guys.
Chico, can you please stop whining? No. Please stop whining while eating? No. Oh, where are everything? Blah. Blah. Blah, blah, blah. 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 Blah, 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 blah. 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 Blah, 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 blah. Blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah. Mom, Chico turned off the TV. It's not funny. Wait, I'm doing my video. Wait. Before you said that, I'll do it. Then Mayumi will say, and then the TV will say, and Chico and Goofa love the tissue. Then my snake will be bleh, blah 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 blah. Ah! Bleh. Let me do. Problem similar. Blah. 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 Okay, guys, today we're home and Mommy's here too. She did exercise and she's so good. Blah. Blah.
Why am I wearing like this? Finish?